Very good.
It gives me so much pleasure just to watch you succeed, Arshad Bhai, to watch these partnerships. And I think I've been on so many programs with a lot of your team members. And I've had such great conversations, critical conversations. Jessica Jahangiri Sahib has some very tough questions, which I really appreciate. Or a lot of real grounded comedy, Jessica Bilal Chima Sahib has. Or some genuine real estate advice like Irfan Malik Sahib has,
Yes, sir.
or just a good morning chat with Shazia. There are so many great opportunities. Or we're talking about cricket, which I'm a big fan of, to watch the cricket channel with all of you. What I really appreciate is that kya community ko saath leke chalte hain with all of what the Pakistani diaspora in Canada really represents. And sometimes हम गुम हो जाते हैं, भले वो पाकिस्तानी पॉलिटिक्स में हो, भले वो so many different issues, geopolitics of the world, हम भूल जाते हैं sometimes कि हमारी जो contributions हैं, each and every one of us that are here in this room, they matter. भले वो it's a good word of advice from Shazia, or it's hosting the GT20 by Arif Bhai, or it's ensuring that Pakistanis have access to Hajj by Malik Mushtaq Sahib, or it's giving good financial advice, Sahib Sayyid Sahib, or hosting Pakistan Independence Day celebrations like Shah Sahib, or running and representing our community in elections like Mazhar Shafiq Sahib and Taha as well. I think जो भी हम कर सकते हैं, हमें हमेशा करना चाहिए to make sure that we are uplifting the community. And sometimes it is through dal chawal competitions like Shahroz's hosted, and sometimes it's by asking the difficult and tough questions of the government of the day here in Canada to make sure the Pakistani community is well represented. So I just want to present my congratulations to all of you, especially to Arshad Bhai Sahib, to Rana Sahib, for really bringing the community together. As they say in Saraiki Sadke Thima Foundation. I'm really, really honored, and as I take on my new role as Parliamentary Secretary for the